my god. Hey guys. Hey. Yeah. Hey, hey, we have a bunch of things. Like, my dad's in the background. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in the well, uh, we- so, yeah, there's a ghost there. Not, yeah. Found it. No, no, what? My, mine's pretty bad. Oh crap, I need to go soon, so it's be a little short. Because, I need to go. So I'm going to my mom's. Okay, so as you can see, I am riding Brave Warrior. My horse, my Frisian sport horse. This is Donnie. She is a daughter. She's one of the clubs that I have. And this is Brave Champion. He is the first horse I actually ever bought. Actually surprising. He's actually a Mustang, so it's a Mustang. And this is Faith Angel. She is a Connemara, and yeah, she's cool. She's looking at me like, oh my god, why can I not get to see this people? Okay, so this is Appleberry. He is like the third horse I think I bought. No, like the fourth horse I think I bought. And he is a Swedish horse. He's cute. He's like, I'm shy. Then this is Caramel Spot. My pony, my Jorvik pony. Call it Jorvik, say Jorvik. Yeah, it sounds better. So yeah, this is Ashai. He's my Arabian. Yeah. This is Bright Star. She's my Lusitano. I have Spirit. I don't like him, but I have Spirit. Yeah, he's a Mustang. And this is Flame Spirit. He is the Halloween horse. Yeah, look at Maya. She's chugging that water. Look at that. Oh yeah, she's chugging that water. This is Diamond Queen. He is a Shire. Yeah, I got him for no reason. This is Angel Chance. He or she, I don't know which one, what gender he is. What is she? I don't know. Is a Clydesdale. He's like my favorite ever. So, and this is Ice Diamond. She is a Triangular. Yeah, Triangular. This, I think, oh my god, I do not want to do that. This is Fast Blaze. He is a English thoroughbred. He's actually one of my favorites because I love thoroughbreds in just general. This is Apple Cake. Oh my god, I'm so bad at genders. She is a Zoni. Let's just say that. Just a Zoni. This is my Hanoverian. Red Flame. FYI, I love Secretariat, so even though he's dead and I'm a kid. So this is Emerald Beauty. That's a halflanger. She's so pretty. And this is Flame Dream, my Fjord. And right here is my starter horse. Me. My starter horse. Silverstar. Not even. I was pretty young. Shut up. Oh my god. Why is my zone? Why is my zoning so annoying? Oh yeah, and in here. And here is the food. room. Let's just say that, the food room. I don't know what to call it. It's my secret hiding place from my reality. This is the tech room. Also my secret hiding place from my reality. Yeah, my reality is really dumb. I'm a model in real life. My Instagram's at Linnea Lang. Of course. Let me move. That's why it's Linnea Seawater. And I also love the sea. So, yeah. This is my makeup room. I'm just gonna say that. And filling water room. Yeah. Yeah. This is my shower room for my horses. It would be weird if I showered in here. So, yeah, there's my stable tour. Oh, my stable tour.
Okay, kids, you got everything together?
Think so.
Did you get your backpack?
Bye, guys. See you next time.